Did you know that sometimes a single item in a box can pay for the entire box, and then everything else is essentially free? And that's what we have this month from our Lurella box. This is the Glow Serum. It has niacinamide and peptides in it, which are really good for your skin. Can be used morning and night according to the itty bitty little print. And I would tell you the size of this if I could read it: an ounce. An ounce? An ounce. And I've taken a little sniff. It's not overpowering. It smells, well, anybody but remember Vicks Vapor Rub? It has the light essence of that. So I'm thinking this might be a nice one to use at night during the winter time when you get stuffy. That item is $30. The box is $30. So everything else is essentially free. Let's see what else we got. This cloth is called Wipeout. It is like a makeup eraser, except not exactly, I guess. It is bigger and very soft. Definitely bigger. Yes, and I was pleased that there's a little place there to hook it on so it can dry. This is soft. And I'm glad it is in a dark color, because that way then you're not messing up your good washcloths when you take off your makeup. And also could possibly be used maybe for removing a dark colored clay mask. Those sometimes stain a washcloth. Happy to get this. Okay, we're trying to do this without blinding everybody. This is a nice plastic bag that could be used for many things. It contains one of those heatless curler, I don't know what exactly to call it, a rod, a wand, a silk-covered thingamajig. I already have one, so I'm going to set this aside for a gift or a future giveaway. But glad to get it, and like I said, the bag is zippered and could be used for makeup or storing this or many things. This is a liquid lip liner pencil. And it's in a nice red shade. It's called Viral. I'm thinking this might be something fun for the holidays. I'm not much of a lip liner person, yet sometimes a lip liner can make a nice lipstick. So this is something to hang on to and play around with later on in the year. We are about halfway through the box, and Anne's two favorites are the Glow Serum and the Wipeout cloth. What did you see that you liked? Let us know down below. Did you get this? I want to know all the details. And now moving right along with this video. We got two brushes. We're leaving them packaged up because we have way too many brushes. Yes, in as much as I hate to turn down a brush, we have way too many brushes, so we're gonna leave them packaged up. I will say I like the way that they feel. They're weighted nicely. They don't feel too heavy, and they don't feel light like you're going to be playing with a toy. One looks like it must be for blush because it's big, fat, and fluffy. The other one looks like it could be for perhaps under eye or blending. Maybe a good blending brush. We're going to set these aside for future gifts and giveaways. I was very much excited about this next item, and going to insert a picture. It's a mirror in the shape of a shell, decent sized handle. It has some weight to it, yet it's not overly heavy, and it's not light, so it's not like I'm playing with a toy. But I like this mirror. This is my favorite item out of the box. It's in the shape of a shell. I believe, if I recall correctly, this type of shell, if found in the wild, would be called a pectin. This is a liquid eyeshadow called Lava Stone. And I'm trying to do this. There are some shimmers of gold in there. Ooh, that does sound tempting. Yes, so this is going to be something I'm going to need to play around with. I normally don't wear a black eyeshadow, but those shimmers are definitely attracting me. They're attracting me too. And the last item is a watermelon lip oil. And if you've watched my channel for a while, you know I do love me some good watermelon. And this, I took a sniff. I don't want to dig into it because I just opened some other product, but I will be enjoying this in another month or so. It smells just like watermelon. Oh, that is heavenly. Yes, that is heavenly. And it looks like, I don't know if it's going to show up or not, it looks like there is a decent sized doe foot applicator in there. In this half of the box, the camel definitely likes the mirror, and I like the watermelon. How about you? Did you see something that you like? Do you get this box? Let us know. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, the box is $30, thus for this month, one item paid for the entire box. 5 to 7 items is what you get. Usually there's a palette. I was kind of surprised, I was a little disappointed that there was no palette, but that's okay. We got lots of other fun items. Shipping is free. We have to pay tax, so we're about $33. I looked up a few of the prices, and the serum was the most expensive item at $30. The mirror was $10 to $20, depending on whether you took the full price or the sale price. The wipeout cloth was $7, the lip oil was $12, and the other items ranged between $3 to $6. So all things considered, this was a nice box. Yes, it certainly was. I am not complaining a bit. Thank you for taking the time to enjoy the Lurella May subscription box with us. We hope to see you again. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. We're trying to build the channel some more. Hope to see you again. Go check out another video. Check out a playlist. Thanks again for watching. You are appreciated.